Hello friends, yesterday we had discussed these phrases. First one was a bad egg, which does mean what? That a person having bad characteristics. Second one was at a stone's throw, means at a very short distance. Then third one was to cry over spilt milk. It does mean what? Having repentance on something has been done. Then fourth one was to hit the hay, means to go to sleep. And last one was to kick the bucket, means if the person is died, then we can say he has kicked the bucket. These were the phrases which we have already discussed in yesterday's video. So today we are going to deal with these phrases. First phrase is to keep an eye on the ball, means what? To remain focused on the main issue. It does mean what? Suppose your exam is there and you are just enjoying with games or any matches, etc. So your parents will say, just keep an eye on the ball. It does mean what? You must be focused on your exam rather than other matches and games and other things, etc. So you should keep an eye on the ball. The next phrase is here, that is under the weather. Under the weather means to feel ill or to feel sick. Suppose you have traveled a lot and you are feeling very weak, you are feeling very ill or sick. Instead of saying I am feeling ill, you can say I am under the weather. It does mean what? You are feeling ill or sick. Now the next phrase is here, that is burn your bridges. Now it does mean what? Burn your bridges means to damage your relationships. For example, in our family we have fight with each other, and just due to that fight sometimes we damage our relationships, and that's what burn your bridges is. So you can say that don't burn your bridges. It does mean what? That don't damage your relationship with your family members. Next, fourth phrase is here, that is beat around the bush. Beat around the bush means what? Instead of telling that exact point, if you are just beating around that bush means there is a bush and you are running around that bush. It does mean what? You are not coming to the point. So that is what beat around the bush is. So we can say that don't beat around the bush, come to the point. Tell me exactly what happened. That is the beat around the bush. Now next point is here, that is hit the nail on the head. Now hit the nail on the head is totally opposite to beat around the bush is. Hit the nail on the head means what? To tell that exact point. Instead of beating around the bush, if you are telling exact point, that is what hit the nail on the head. And in fact, we can use it like this, that suppose our friend is there and he is just beating around the bush. He is not telling exact point. So we can say that don't beat around the bush, hit the nail on the head. Means what? Just tell me what exactly happened. Don't beat around the bush. These are the 5 phrases we have covered today. Every day we are going to deal with such phrases, opposite words and all vocabulary based videos. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share also, and please press the bell icon so that you can get updated, or if I upload any video you can get that notification. Thank you.